Hey guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in today's video I'll show you how to see reviews on SpotHero. So if you want to check what other users think about a parking location before booking, just follow along. First, open the SpotHero app and search for the area where you need parking. Browse the available parking location and then tap on one that interests you. On the parking details page, scroll down to the section that displays customer ratings and reviews. Here you can read comments from previous users about their parking experience, including things like how easy it was to find the entrance, the security of the location, and the overall convenience. Then you can compare reviews across multiple parking locations before making your reservation. And reading recent reviews can help you choose the best parking option for your trip. So that was how to see reviews on SpotHero. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thank you for watching.